guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a full step-by-step video tutorial on how to make these adorable little ghost mouse wands. With this design, I give you guys two different files, two options. Basically, one has the black ears, another one has all of it white. Okay, so let's get started with the white outline, and we're going to input the colors. Okay, so like always, it's going to do the placement stitch, so I'm going to do black. And then we're going to place our fabric, so we're going to do white. And then it's going to do the little details, so we're going to do black, white, 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 white. And then we're going to do the bow, which I'm going to choose orange for that. And we're going to do white for the final stitch. That's going to stitch the front and the back of the fabric. So yeah, okay, let's go home and we're ready to start. Okay, we're gonna start the machine, and like I said, it's gonna create the placement stitch first. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the machine, that way I can get the piece of fabric and put it on top. So for this project, I'm using this faux leather that I have left over from a previous project. So like I said, that's your outline. We're gonna place the fabric on top and make sure that it grabs everything, and then we're gonna put it back into the machine. Now we're gonna start the machine again. And now it's gonna start making all the little details on the ghost. Okay, so I stopped the machine once I finished the bow because now we're going to add the fabric in the back. So let me take it back to the table. So this is how it's looking so far. Super adorable. Okay, we're going to flip the hoop to the back, and we're going to grab another piece of our fabric. We're going to place it facing up the right side, and we're going to put tape on each corner or side. Okay, so I added the tape, and now we're going to take it back to the machine. And it's gonna stitch like the final stitch all around, holding this one in the back of the fabric. So yeah, okay, let's go. As you can see, that's how it looks. And we're gonna start the machine again. And we are done. Yay, let's take it out. And this is how it should look like. Now we're going to take it out of the hoop and cut it out. So here it is, all cut out. Now the last thing we're going to do is insert the stick. I'm using, I think it's like the 1/4. It's 12 inches in length, and the width is, I think, 1/4. I'll try to link the one that I purchased from Amazon down below. The difference between the first version when the second version is that this one is stitches the ears black, and so we're doing black. So yeah, it finished stitching the ears, the face, and then the bow. So like I said earlier, once it's done stitching the bow, you pause the machine, that way you can take it out of the hoop. We're gonna flip it again on the back side and add our piece of fabric, and let's tape it so we could do the final stitch. Here it is, we are done. This is what it looks like in the back, so let's remove it from the hoop. And ta-da, this is how the second version turned out. Again, these are super easy to make, so if you guys want other designs, message me on my Etsy store. But yeah. Oh, another thing before I end the video is when you insert the stick into the wand, add a little bit of glue, because if not, it's gonna move, and you know, we don't want that. So yeah. And the super last thing, it's optional. You can also decorate it with some fun trim, you know, tools, ribbon, if you want to. So yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.